everyone, welcome again with you Mrs. Minna Raouf, your science teacher. Today we will continue lesson 1, what is weather? Do you remember the type of weather from the last session? Yeah, I will remember you. Sunny, cloudy, windy and rainy. And also I told you that the weather may be described as cold weather and hot weather. That's right. Today we will talk about how we can measure the weather. First, what do you see in this picture? Yeah, this is ruler. And what we use the ruler for? We use it to measure the length. And also, what is this? This is called band balance, and we used the band balance for measuring the mass. So this is a tool that we use to measure something. Also, we can use some tools to measure the weather. First, a thermometer. And a thermometer is a device we can use to measure the temperature. So, thermometer is a tool that measures the temperature. And that temperature is how hot or cold the something is. So, when something is very hot, I can describe it as it has high temperature. And if the something is cold, I can describe it has low temperature. So the temperature is how hot or cold something is. It measured in degrees. So when I ask you what the tools that we use to measure the temperature, that's right, a thermometer. So a thermometer is a tool that measures the temperature. What's this picture? This is a type of precipitation that falls from the sky. This is called rain, snow, sleet and hail. So rain, snow, sleet and hail are forms of water that falls from the sky. How we can measure the amount of water that falls from the sky? By using a tool is called a rain gauge. So a rain gauge is a tool that measures how much water falls. So we can measure the amount of water that falls from the sky by using a tool called a rain gauge. How we can predict the weather? And what's important for the weather report? The weather report helps the people to get ready for the coming weather. How? If the coming weather is cold, you must wear heavy clothes. But if the coming weather is hot, you will wear light clothes. So you must follow the weather report to help you to get ready for the weather. How can scientists predict the weather? By using these tools to observe the weather. Weather satellite, weather station and weather balloon. Weather satellite, weather station and weather balloon. All of these are tools that help the scientists to observe weather. Okay, now we have finished our first lesson. I hope you understand the lesson well. Please don't forget your homework and check LMS and answer worksheet and send it to me on our mail الواحة@gmail.com. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.